All right, Micromod Dude here again, and it's been such a very, very long time that I've done any unboxings due to the fact that we've been all like held
At
hostage as animals in cages by our local governments who think we're all gonna die. So
Don't
we've
listen
been
to him.
stuck at home. Anyways,
Don't listen
Micromod
to
Dude here again, and bringing to you some special two-way portable ham radio. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, ham radio. This is basically I bought this because, given the situation of the times that we're living in with worldwide shutdowns, I've talked to people where their power has gone out in like 8 states, internet's gone down. This here is going to be my ticket to communicate with the world. That's right, ham radio power, communicate with others across the country, and basically it's a Baofeng Wuhan model. Wuhan Wiggle Waddle. I don't know.
what
It's
this
a coronavirus special edition ham radio. So let me see what I got here. Can I show all this stuff here? Portable two-way radio. I don't think, yeah, I can show this here, I guess. Okay, so let me see if I can squeeze it in here, give you the model number. The Baofeng, what's it say there? Oh, Baofeng UV-5R plus.
Two-way.
What does that say there?
radio.
Quadlet two-way radio something. All right, anyways.
Just open it.
And this is I'm new into ham radio, so I never had any of this before. So you're looking at a totally new guy here, rookie action coming straight at you here with this kind of apparatus. So let's look at the general details here. So frequency range 665 megahertz to 108, blah blah blah, FM radio, and that's all the VHF. Oh, we could catch TV stations, UHF too. Oh, interesting. All right, so it's got that on there. 128 channels, frequency stability 2 to 5 ppm, frequency strip. So basically, there's all your goody goods. Where's the wattage here? You see anywhere where it says watts? Right here. R power 4. I thought it was 8 watts. That's kind of low, but for like $20, you know,
What's that?
that's how much power that it puts out and receives, whatever. That's not what I wanted, but for what I paid for it, I don't really care. I thought it was the 8-watt version. Could have sworn it was, because this is the Plus model, which is supposed to be more enhanced.
So it's probably
No.
better then.
Unless they sold me the wrong one and switched the roux on me. Anyways, we'll figure it out right now. So let's open it up here. Let's see what's in the box. See, it says the UV-5R plus. So this is a more enhanced model than the non-plus version. And
It's
then
yellow. It's
yeah,
so tiny.
yeah. Well, I got like 12 bucks off of getting the yellow one because nobody
tiny.
wanted to buy the yellow one. So
What's wrong with yellow?
nothing. That's why I bought it. You know, but I saved 12 bucks, right? Look at that. So this is tiny, tiny little Baofeng Wuhan Wiggle. You see the coronavirus ham radio. So yeah. So here we go. Here is there any
Manual.
So let me see some information here.
Oh,
So let's see here. So Baofeng UV-5R plus. There it is. Blah blah blah. And basically, I hope I don't get the coronavirus even touching it, because these are all made in China. But I think this was probably made before the Wuhan Wiggle came to the United States. So I should be
stop
safe.
calling you that.
It's not the Wuhan Wiggle. What's it called? Huh? Oh, is it? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't think it was. Just trying to be funny. Anyways, there's this. So it's yeah. It's that's basically.
Does it even work?
You know, there's a hand size here. It's not too bad. Just wait. So let's see what's else in the box here. So we got here, what's this?
I don't know. What's on
We got the
manual?
antenna. So let's plug the antenna in here. Yep. Let's plug it in. Maybe I could talk about local cops. Roger, Roger 1. We got a 187 in progress here. Please respond. Please respond.
Yeah.
You know. And then we got a little wrist holder here. What else we got?
Is this headphones?
Oh, look at that. Now I could be like a real cop. So I could rig this up to my ear and walk around like I'm somebody important.
You wish.
I'm working for the FBI. I'm a secret agent for the Mossad. Don't tell nobody. I'm just kidding. Anyways, put this on my ear here. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Wow. Dude, all this I got this for really dirt cheap, guys. So I'll put the link in the description of where I got it from Amazon.
What's this?
That's some kind of clip. So this is cool. That'll go on my ear there.
And then
We got the charger here. We got this clip here. Clip it on. I guess you could use this How does this clip
I
on?
found
Somewhere, we'll
I
figure it out
found
later.
this thingy.
What's this? Oh, some kind of... Oh, that's probably for the microphone there.
What's this?
Yeah, this is the charger. So this here is for the battery. Here, how do I even take the battery off? Just pull it out. How do I put the battery off here? Ah, there it goes. This is supposed to go in here somewhere, or I put the whole thing on there. Oh, that's the whole thing, dude. I'm such a rookie. So yeah, this just goes, bam, charge it up, Charlie.
No, I don't think.
No, yeah, right there. Here it is.
There.
There it is. Wow, that's pretty cool, right? So yeah, this is basically to communicate with, you know, I guess, like I said, I'm brand new to all this stuff, but I can listen to my local police, the military, the army. You know, I could communicate with the weather
There's
stations.
TV nowadays.
I could communicate with other people across the U.S. If I get a long enough antenna, connect to a repeater, I could even connect. I could talk to people across the world basically with this thing. So I could be off the grid. There could be all the power be shut down, and with this bad boy, I could still
What if they don't
access
have
the
that?
world. Well, all the survivalists, they have these things here. So all the people that are preppers, they got these. Basically, everybody that thinks the world's about to end has one of
So
these.
you think the world's gonna end?
Maybe. What if an asteroid hits? You know, they say that in a couple weeks, that big comet Atlas is coming. They say you got the army already in Cheney Mountain over there in Virginia or somewhere over there.
It's crazy.
Yeah, a little crazy. Anyway, so here's the manual here. Of course, I'll have to go through all this thing here because I have no idea what I'm doing. And I think I also have to, if I actually want to push the button and talk to anybody, I think I have to register and get a license, like $20 for a license.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, we live in a country that everything's money, 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 money.
They
So
want their money.
they want their money. The government wants their money. So, of course, I got to pay to talk to people, really? But it's like a one-time $20 fee, get my license, and I can communicate with anybody I want. Say, hey, Roger that. How's it going over there? Did you get by the asteroid Atlas I hit over here? I'm over in California. How's the weather over there in Wyoming? You guys still alive over there?
He's crazy.
All right, so yeah, this will come good when Comet Atlas comes and destroys the whole world in the next couple weeks.
Oh, look, it has the call button.
So let's look at this. We'll get a little detail here now that we're already looking at this. So basically, you got the VFO. See, I got to look at the manual because I have nothing. I know nada about this stuff. Band,
Oh, the numbers.
menu,
And then over here.
and then over
it
here,
says
what's that
call.
one? Oh, we got call. See, calling all troops. We need the Naval Troops Guard, National Guard over here. We got riots going on in Los Angeles. Please call the 2nd Battalion. All right, and we got a PT button there. I have no idea what none of this stuff is. What's that one? What does it say?
Money.
Oh man, I got a lot to learn. So I'm gonna have to read the whole manual.
And then there's this.
And there's more over here. I think that's where you plug in the headphone jacks thing, so we could try to act like real cops or secret agents. Or was it the one show you watched, Spy Kids? We could be like Spy Kids and go around and save the world, you know? So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's the, what's it, Baofeng, Wuhan,
Portable two-way radio.
portable ham radio, UV-5R plus version. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. And hopefully, we'll be here by next year. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oops.